Hi, my name is Dara Oladapo, and I want to welcome you to this video series called .NET Learn Wellness Day, where I teach .NET fundamentals and we progress from learning the basics of C# development to work on some really nice projects to strengthen our understanding of the language, and we move on to apply this knowledge and learnings to develop real-world mobile, web, and cloud applications. Who knows? We might even have a guest on the show or some series of guests. And this will be a weekly stream that runs every Wednesday, 8 p.m. GMT plus 1. I enjoy you to go ahead and subscribe so you can get notifications when I go live or when I post new videos on this channel. But of course, if you're unable to join the live stream, you can go ahead and subscribe. You still get to see the videos on YouTube much better. So you want to subscribe so you get notifications. Alright, so I'm very excited about this and I cannot wait to learn .NET together with you. I will see you on Wednesday. Bye.